Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you all according to your time. Compliments of the season, guys. Yeah, this is Sunday morning. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. On Sunday morning, we are preparing to go to church. So I decided to make something like this for my daughter because there was no time for me to make her hair. I just woke up this morning and said, before we go to church, let me just do something like this for her. Instead of me to leave her hair like that because the cold was really too much. As you can see from my voice, you will see that I have cold because here where we live, the cold is really too much, so we are feeling it here. So for days now, I have been down for days. I have cold. Even when I'm eating, I can't feel the taste of the food I'm eating. When I'm cooking, I can't feel the aroma of the food I'm cooking. So it's really making me uncomfortable. So I pray that it will go soon because I've been taking lime and honey for days now. I think it's working. So guys, we are here to make this beautiful hair. In case you find yourself in this kind of situation, this urgent hair urgent, just make it for yourself and you are good to go. You do not need to go to the salon for you to look good. As you can see, my girl is really tired because it's 7 o'clock, very early in the morning. So I'm trying to make this for her. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my video, please do subscribe, show me love, subscribe to my channel, and also press that notification bell so that you receive my notification anytime I upload a new video. And for my own returns, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. And if you are a YouTuber, we are baby YouTuber. If you are a YouTuber, watch my video, subscribe, and also leave your comment so that I will follow you up. I will also go to your channel and subscribe to you, and I will also follow you up. Let's support one another. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.